Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to make your LinkedIn profile stand out, you are in the right video. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up a professional LinkedIn profile step by step. This is ideal for job hunting, networking, and building your brand. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for linkedin.com. Once you are on LinkedIn, you need to provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. Now, by default, you will be here on this page. So you need to click on your profile and then you will be landed on this page. Now, you need to add a professional profile photo because your profile photo is the first impression, and uploading a clear front facing image with good lighting, no filter, logos, or distracting background is really important. You need to smile naturally and dress appropriately for your industry in that particular photo. So click on the upload option over here or on your profile option over here. Then you can click on the add photo option. You can click on the upload photo option, select the photo here, save it, and you are done. Now the second thing is to write a strong headline. Now, instead of just saying I'm a student or unemployed, you can try something like aspiring data analyst, skilled in Excel or SQL. So here you can click on this pencil icon right next to it, and you can provide your first name, last name, the additional name, and here you can provide these details. Now you need to complete your about section as well. You need to write 2 to 3 short paragraphs explaining who you are, what do you do or aim to do, and what is your profession about. You need to keep it friendly and clear, and also keyword rich so that recruiter can find you. You can also just scroll down and click on the experience option. You can provide your experience detail, your educational skills, and bunch of other details here. You can add the position, the title, employee type, the starting date, and the ending date as well. So LinkedIn lets you add up to 50 skills, the more the relevant. So here, this is how you can basically set up your LinkedIn profile in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.